Good morning, online friends.
So B is -3, that's correct.
It's throwback day at school, hence the leisure suit. Literally my father's leisure suit.
This is -3. And then,
So again, Friday, worksheets 1 through 3 are due. In theory, they're done now, but today we'll go over worksheet 3 before we do our new stuff. So, questions on worksheet 3?
did you not
Number 5.
Number 5.
You have to multiply the bottom with the other side, but then it wouldn't work because then the top of it.
Let's see.
I'm trying to recommend you do it the other way.
So, Mr. Wolf, in the number 5,
He's doing it. He's doing it.
Let's see what's going on here.
it says on the key you did a over x minus 2, but I did a over x plus 1, and so I got the wrong.
I forgot about that.
So it shouldn't matter which one comes first. It does mean our A and B would be different. It means some of the intermediate steps would be different, but we should still land at the same spot.
I got
So I'll do it the way you did it. Which one did you put first?
x plus 1.
So x plus 1 and x minus 2. Again, it does not matter. It affects the intermediate steps, but it doesn't affect the final answer. So multiply everybody by x minus 2, x plus 1. I'm going to skip the step that I warned you, or that I said you can skip, but be careful. So on the left, everything cancels, and I'm left with -9. And then here's where people make the mistake. On A, the x plus 1's cancel. That leaves x minus 2. On B, the x minus 2's cancel, and that leaves x plus 1. And now we're ready to pick some good values of x. 2 would be a great pick because it would make this go away. So -9 equals a times 0 plus b times 3. So that means b is equal to -3. And then we can pick another value for x, like, say, -1. So -9 equals a times -3 plus b times 0.
Wait, well, does the 9 not count when you're doing it? But you have to divide by.
Yeah, so I divide by -3, and a equals 3. So my answer is a over x plus 1 plus b -3 over x minus 2.
You did B.
Yeah.
Did you switch up the a's and b's? Is that all it was?
Yeah.
So 3 over x plus 1. And then on this one, on answer choice D, the minus is in front as opposed to up with the -3, but that's the same thing. So it's answer choice D.
Can you do 8?
Number 8.
Great minds think alike.
Great minds think alike. Or number 8 is hard. One of the two. Average rate of change. This is old stuff, right? Average rate of change. That's good old Algebra 1 slope stuff. Change in y over change in x. So f of 3 minus f of -1 over 3 minus 1. You gotta...
I gotta get to target?
Yeah. Okay. Bro, yes. Let's see. So f of 3. 3 cubed plus 2 times 3 minus 1. So this is just kind of annoying math forcing us to do here. 27 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 27 plus 5 is 32. F of -1 cube -1 plus 2 times -1 minus 1. -1 plus, a lot of negatives here, so that would be -3, right? -2 minus 1 is -3, but then absolute value makes it +3,
I think it comes out as a negative.
and then -1 plus 3 is 2. Can you get a tardy?
I need to go get one.
Okay, thank you. So 32 minus 2 over 2. And I think you may remember on the last test, it was a bonus. It wasn't multiple choice. It was a bonus, and we said you could leave it unsimplified. Though that one was kind of weird. It had fractions. This one would be a little bit easier. 30 over 2 is 15. The average rate of change. Uh-oh, what did I do wrong? Why is that answer choice not there?
Because you have to leave it over.
Oh, I know what I did. Does anybody see my mistake?
You didn't do negative.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 3 minus negative 1, which would make this 4. And 30 over 4, 15 over 2, and that answer choice is there.
After that mistake, there I go.
The math police are coming to get me.
Number 2.
It hauled me off long ago. If that level mistake got you arrested. Number 2. I'm going to go ahead and factor it since I know that's going to have to happen. X plus 1, x minus 1. Which one did you put first? So
X plus 1.
okay. Again, it doesn't matter, but you asked the question, so I'll work it the way you worked it. Split it up over the denominators. Multiply everybody by x minus 1, x plus 1. On the left, everything cancels. That always happens. And then again, just be super careful about who cancels and who's left. This is where the mistakes are made. X plus 1 cancels, so that leaves x minus 1 with A. With B, the x minus 1's cancel, and that leaves x plus 1 with B. Now all our fractions are gone. We're ready to pick some good values of x that makes things go away. So if I put in 1, negative 1 plus 5 is 4. A times 0 plus b times 2. 2b equals 4, so b equals 2. And then I need x equals, what's another good value that will wipe out the other terms? Negative 1. Be careful. Here's the mistake I made on that last problem. Negative 1 plus 5 would be 6. A times negative 2 plus b times 0. I plug in negative 1 for x. So a equals negative 3. So I've got a and b. I just need to put them over the correct fraction. So again, look back at your fraction you wrote and be careful. And make sure you put the right one over the right piece. Negative 3 over x plus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1. And again, if you just switch the order up here, then your final answer would be 2 over x minus 1 plus negative 3 over x plus 1. But that's the same thing. So again, how you set it up doesn't matter. Well, I shouldn't phrase it quite like that. The order you put the terms in doesn't matter. As you check with friends working through these, you do need to be careful because you could have set them up differently. Questions, comments, concerns? Okay, so again, on Friday, do Friday worksheets 1 through 3. So hopefully they're already done, but maybe a little bit of cleanup work after we just went over those. We'll take those up on Friday. Online people, I'll have the usual online submission thing for you to submit them there.